the news from Delta Airlines. Your reaction, please.
Yeah, so I mean, a slight beat on the numbers. My sense was when Delta withdrew guidance was more that they were concerned. They didn't understand what was going to happen to the economy, and it seems like it's held in there better, right? So with a slight beat, seems like revenue is hanging in there, like you read through some of the report. So I would think, first of all, to be a positive for all the airlines, but mostly it's going to be a positive for the big full-service carriers into this earnings season.
George, Anne-Marie really nailed it when she was talking about how a lot of this was driven by the premium offerings. How much are you going to see the ongoing divergence between the airlines that can cater to the higher income individuals versus those that have a more kind of budget-friendly approach to their marketing?
Yeah, I think you're going to continue to see that divergence. Again, though, I think if demand is holding in there, it's a positive for all of them. But we've seen premium outperforming. I think at the bottom end of the scale, the budget and the ultra low cost carriers, they are starting to put some of that capacity behind them. They're starting to get rid of some capacity in the marketplace, which should help them improve profitability. But I still think it's a little bit early in that. And so I would, again, expect that the big full-service carriers, Delta, American, United, are going to see better results because of that premium passenger and business.
We're seeing the trading action, people really cheering in pre-market activity, this reinstatement of the guidance for the full year. I'm just wondering how low the bar was, how much pessimism has gotten baked in, not just to Delta, but more broadly to the entire airline sector.
I think there's a lot of concern in the airline sector. We'll have to, again, parse through the earnings they've just come across. But the big full-service carriers really benefiting from foreign travel into Europe. That seems like it's been holding up. And so, again, I think that's another tailwind for the big three here in the U.S. But I think the pessimism in the marketplace had been, pretty widespread recently.